Welcome to JB Lessons. I'm JB, and in today's top tips I'm going to be showing you all about slides. If you haven't seen my other 2-minute tip videos, I'll put some links up at the top, but for this time we're going to talk about slides. Now, hammer-ons works for going higher, pull-offs works for going lower. The wonderful thing about slides is you can use it either higher or lower depending where you want to go. Now, the concept, we are going to use finger 1 on fret 1, and we're going to go from 1 to 3 if we're talking about frets. You play 1 and you squeeze it, and what you're going to do is keep the pressure on your finger, and you should basically feel your finger move over all the frets. If you can't feel the frets, you're not squeezing hard enough. So if I do it very slowly, you would hear this. 3 distinct notes in there. What you're doing is pushing it faster. Squeeze, play, slide. Same idea works going the other way. Slowly. 3 distinct notes if we do it faster. Now what I would like to do is practice going from 1 to 3 with all 4 fingers. So let's try it with finger 2, finger 3, and finger 4. Something that should really help you is having your thumb placed on the back of the neck. Because obviously if you don't have your thumb on the back of the neck, you really have nothing to squeeze against. So when I'm doing it, I would always have my thumb like this, and it really adds a good pressure point. Have a go on different strings. So for example, let's try finger 1 fret 1 on the next string up, and we'll go all the way up to fret 5 and back down. Try it with finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. If you've enjoyed this video, please do be sure to check out some of my other videos I've got, and if you could consider liking and subscribing to the channel and the videos, that would be great. Thanks. Bye.